Hey everyone, Hobby Box Break here. Do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button, and don't forget to share on your social media platforms. And of course, if you want to keep up to date with our Hobby Box Breaks, hit that bell button in the bottom right hand corner. Today we are doing a 2015 Panini Immaculate Collegiate Hobby Box Break. You can get some really nice autos in here and some memorabilia cards, jersey cards. I want to give a huge shout out to Baseball Card Clubhouse, located here in Tampa, Florida. We've had some huge hits with their Star Wars hobby boxes and their other NFL and MLB hobby boxes. So head on out there, pick yourself a hobby box. I'm sure you'll get something good in there. And don't forget to like and subscribe, make a comment down in there. We have our first giveaway going out to Sensual Obsessions won himself a couple of numbered parallel cards that we are sending out him free of charge. So next month we're going to give out some autos. So don't forget to make a couple of comments and subscribe. Let's see how we do today. It's very fancy. Trying not to damage this box. Here we go. Case. Of course, we got this really nice tin here. Pretty solid. All right. Exciting. Okay. All right. Now we have another sealed box here. It's pretty solid. Feeling it once you're getting into these. Got it security banded here. Alrighty. Alright, here we go. First card, get out Andre Drummond, 95 of 99. 95 of 99. Very nice card. Thick. Got a Deron Brown. Nice rookie card. 80 of 99. 80 of 99. Beautiful thick card. We got our first auto. Looks like it's WNBA. Sierra Burdick, 73 of 99. 73 of 99. She autographed her number on that one too. And we have another autograph. Todd Gurley, 71 of 99, autographed jersey card. Nice triple color in there. It's very nice. Then we got a double jersey card. Jarrell Martin, Jordan Mickey, 15 of 99. 15 of 99. Two LSU players. Double patch card. Jersey card, I would say. Troy Aikman, jersey card. Wow. Troy Aikman jersey card, 53 of 99. Nice Troy Aikman jersey card. That is a really nice card. Wow, really nice. And another auto, Todd Gurley, another one. 21 of 99. 21 of 99. Nice jersey card. Autograph. And our last one, R.J. Hunter, 68 of 99. 68 of 99. Autograph. Wow, really nice. Let's go through these again. Beautiful cards, beautiful cards. Amazing condition. Like this Troy Aikman. Kind of got a hollow hue to it. Wow, really nice. Dual jersey. $71 and $99. Big patch card. Beautiful cards. Alright, so this is my first WNBA card. Or women's basketball card. Collegiate. Wow. Beautiful. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is our only regular, I don't know, we got 2 regular cards and the rest of them were patch and autos, or jersey and autos. 80 of 99, all numbered. Just our 2 regular numbered ones. Thanks for watching. Don't forget that like and subscribe button and share on your social media. And again, we're going to be doing some more giveaways, so don't forget to comment.